Welcome to another reasoning. Uh, have you ever, ever wondered why is everybody turning a blind eye? They get bullied, you help. You get bullied, they're blind. What is happening to the world? You're here waiting and waiting to see if somebody will actually help you. But one thing you'll know to me is that nobody's going to come for you. Only if you know somebody that actually cares about you. They just use you. They need just somebody to help them, and then so you're now a useless piece of garbage. You're just like a toy to them. When destroyed, you need to be thrown like trash. People, peoples, peoples are scary and also manipulative. What is happening?